Let's cut across to images coming in from Parliament. You see now the India bloc coming together to stage protests, many of them holding up placards demanding allocation for their respective states, questioning why nothing was done for their states. So you see boards there referring to Telangana, to Kerala, to Tamil Nadu as well. All of these MPs from the India bloc coming together to lash out at the Modi government, saying this budget has done nothing for our states, and the opposition alleging that there's been in fact a targeted allocation by the Modi government only to states that benefit them, and that this is, as they called it, a Kursi Bachao budget. You see TMC leaders, DMK leaders, members of the left from Kerala present there, members of the Congress also from Kerala present there. KC Venugopal currently speaking. Let's cut across live.
Yesterday, through the Union budget, Government of India violated all the principles to keep the federal system. Basically, this budget is, the aim is to protect the government. They were giving so much hopes to we are not against to giving the money to the states like Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. But other states also should get justice. Without giving justice to other states, they are giving only one or two states. Will have a big problem on federal system. That's why we are agitating today. Entire people are agitated. But this budget is also generally is not at all a good budget at all.
Sir, will you participate in budget discussion or bypass? Sir, at the same time, Niti Aayog meeting, you have asked the...
Yeah. What is the point of meeting? Niti Aayog meeting is, I think, what is the point of me having a presence in the meeting? The government is not giving justice toward the state governments where we are in opposition. We decided that our chief ministers will not attend the Niti Aayog meeting.
Sir, would you participate in budget discussion or walkout, sir? Would you participate in budget discussion?
Yeah, we will participate in the budget discussion. We will have a protest outside the house. Inside the house also, we will raise the issue, but we will participate in the discussion.
Sir, has asked Rahul Gandhi to apologize
on Niti issue, sir.
Yeah?
Sir, after the Supreme Court decision, now the HRD minister is saying that Rahul Gandhi should apologize because the Supreme Court has made it clear that there will be no re-exam.
No, Supreme Court already cleared no examination. But Supreme Court also mentioned that there are irregularities in this examination which has to be examined, isn't it? Is it a clean sheet for government, Dharmendra Pradhan? How can you hide on Supreme Court verdict? You are already proven that you are incapable to do all these examinations. Now we are bending upon the Supreme Court verdict.
Okay, KC Venugopal, the Congress MP, confirming that yes, the opposition will be a part of the discussion, the debate on budget in Parliament. They're boycotting the Niti Aayog meet, which will take place on July 27th. The opposition chief ministers have said that none of them will be a part of that particular meet in protest over the fact that no allocations have come their way. Yesterday, soon after the budget was presented, you had state chief ministers ruled by the opposition all holding press conferences, lashing out at the Modi government, saying, why has nothing been done for our states? Rahul Gautam is joining us live with more details on this. Rahul, images coming in of the protest right now by the India bloc, and this is something we're going to be seeing through the day as opposition leaders have questioned selective allocation by the Modi government in yesterday's budget.
Well, Akshita, it's going to be a stormy day as far as parliamentary proceedings are concerned, because yesterday only India bloc parties decided that they're going to stage a demonstration inside the parliament, decrying discrimination by the hands of the BJP government, saying that this budget has essentially been crafted only to save the government by giving money to states like Bihar and Andhra Pradesh, but at the same time ignoring the woes and issues of non-NDA governments. And therefore, they are lodging this protest around 11 a.m. when Parliament will convene. India bloc parties will participate in the discussions, and in order to send out a stern message, Congress Chief Minister will also not be attending the upcoming Niti Aayog meeting. So this is being essentially done to create this narrative that BJP government, NDA government, has been ignoring the states like which are ruled by Congress or India bloc parties, and they are giving or handing out money essentially only to save the government. For example, to states like Bihar and Andhra Pradesh. You can expect this is going to gather.
Rahul, stay with me. We're going to cut across to Mallikarjun Kharge.
Budget है और इसमें अन्याय है.
Sir, would you be participating in the general budget?
No, let us see. We'll protest. Then we'll see.
Okay, Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge also symbolically joining that particular protest outside Parliament. Will play out his detailed reaction also in just a bit. But Kharge also has lashed out at the Modi government repeatedly since yesterday over the budget that's been presented, questioning and calling it a Kursi Bachao budget. But you see the opposition coming together in full strength there outside Parliament to express their opposition to the budget. Today, remember, there'll be a detailed, almost 10-hour-long discussion on salient points, features of the budget. And for the Congress, you're going to have Shashi Tharoor also leading the discussion. So many of the opposition leaders will be speaking up in Parliament, raising their voice, questioning what they call a selective allocation. And they've referred to it repeatedly as the Kursi Bachao budget, saying that the Modi government has done what it takes to keep NDA partners happy and therefore ensure they remain in power in Delhi, and that there's been no allocation, no substance really for any of the opposition-ruled states, which is what's prompted the protest that you see on your screens by political parties from different states, are all coming together right now, right at the forecourt of Parliament, to stage this agitation. Rahul is still with us, getting us all the latest updates. Rahul, a confirmation also that's coming from the opposition that they will be a part of the discussion, the detailed discussion that's expected to take place on the budget in Parliament today. So they're not boycotting that.
Well, certainly not. They are not boycotting the parliamentary proceedings, and we've been informed that 3 speakers will be fielded by Congress party, namely Kumari Shelja, Shashi Tharoor and Praniti Shinde. Now, these 3 speakers will initially be speaking on the budget. Apart from this, there are many other opposition leaders who are going to speak and decry discrimination. You can expect that they're going to, would try to corner the government.
Just stay with me. Live reactions coming in.
और खास करके महाराष्ट्र तो इनका अलायंस के साथ चल रहा स्टेट है. महाराष्ट्र में पिछले 10 साल से, जैसे मैंने कल कहा था, प्रधानमंत्री सरकार बचाओ योजना कल घोषित की है. यूनियन बजट नहीं था वो. वैसे ही प्रधानमंत्री महाराष्ट्र विरोधी योजना कल बजट में दिखाई दी. जब महाराष्ट्र 10 साल से, जब से भारतीय जनता पार्टी आई है, महाराष्ट्र को कुछ नहीं मिला है. हाईएस्ट टैक्स पेइंग स्टेट है. हर 1 रुपया जो जाता है केंद्र के पास, उससे हमें सिर्फ वापस 3 पैसे से लेकर 8 पैसे तक मिलते हैं. ये शर्मनाक है कि आज तक महाराष्ट्र के हित का काम नहीं किया, और बाकी सारे राज्यों में भी, चाहे तमिलनाडु हो, केरला हो, वेस्ट बंगाल हो, सेम भेदभाव देखा गया. इसलिए हम प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
जो आए थे कह रहे थे कि विपक्ष को आके सदन में बात करनी चाहिए, हर बातों पे चर्चा होगी.
बिल्कुल चर्चा करेंगे. हम विपक्ष में रहकर हम बाहर भी करेंगे, संसद के अंदर भी करेंगे, रास्तों पे भी करेंगे, और जनता के बीच में भी जाकर करेंगे.
Okay, so Priyanka Chaturvedi, they're questioning what really has come for the Maharashtra state, saying that, the states like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Bengal, Telangana, that have received nothing so far from the government. And you can see these images now. Rahul and Sonia Gandhi have also joined the agitation, symbolically being a part of the protest there as well. Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge also standing there in the forecourt of Parliament, staging protests, raising slogans, questioning the government. You see a message here clearly, Rahul, being sent across by the opposition that they're united right now in their criticism of the budget. They're calling it a Kursi Bachao budget, but primarily the opposition is to the fact that there's been no allocation for opposition-ruled states.
Well, it seems that budget has now become a sort of a rallying point as far as opposition bloc is concerned, because almost every party which is part of India bloc, they are decrying discrimination, and that's why you are seeing these opposition MPs gathered at the parliament entrance, chanting slogans against Modi government, saying that this is Kursi Bachao budget and this is being essentially done to keep their allies happy, and so much so that they have ignored even BJP BJP ruled states, for example, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, even those states have not got anything. But this government is doling out or giving out packages or more money to states like Bihar and Andhra Pradesh, only so that their allies won't be troubling them much. But at the same time, the non-NDA governments, they are decrying that this is like an assault on federal structure, wherein the government is ignoring the woes or the concerns of these states, but at the same time trying to appease their own allies. And they are saying that this budget has an imprint of political compulsions that Modi government is facing at this point of time. They are trying to adjust their political allies, but at the cost of other non-NDA states. So clearly, you can expect that this is going to become a new flashpoint between BJP, between treasury benches and opposition benches, and they're going to continue to corner the government on this issue. We are learning from our sources that a protest is being contemplated at this point of time. And
हम सभी लोग जितने लोग हैं और खासकर समाजवादी लोग, किसानों को MSP मिले, आय दोगुनी हो, उसका रास्ता निकले। लेकिन इधर देखने को मिल रहा है समर्थन मूल्य किसान को न मिल करके जो अलायंस पार्टनर जो सरकार बचा रहे हैं उन्हें समर्थन मूल्य सरकार दे रही है। ये तो अखबारों में भी छपा है। आप पहले बेरोजगार करते हैं, बेरोजगारी बढ़ाते हैं और उसके बाद ऐसी आधी अधूरी नौकरी लाते हैं जिससे किसी नौजवान का भविष्य बनने वाला नहीं है। इंटर्नशिप के बाद क्या होगा, उनको नौकरी कौन देगा। तीसरा, महंगाई को लेकर के सरकार कोई ऐसा ठोस कदम नहीं उठा पाई जिससे महंगाई नियंत्रण होती। अगर कहीं आपने मिडिल क्लास को कुछ सहूलियत भी दी है तो वो अपनी महंगाई से आप वापस ले रहे हैं। बड़े सपने दिखाए थे यूपी को, क्या मिला यूपी को? डबल इंजन की सरकार, तो डबल लाभ मिलना चाहिए था, दिल्ली का लाभ, लखनऊ का लाभ। लेकिन लगता ये है कि दिल्ली अब लखनऊ की तरफ नहीं देख रही है, या लखनऊ वालों ने दिल्ली वालों को नाराज कर दिया। उसका परिणाम हमें बजट में दिखाई दे रहा है। तो डबल इंजन का क्या फायदा हुआ? बिहार जा रहा है विकास, यूपी को क्यों छोड़ रहे हैं आप? बाढ़ अगर बिहार की रोकनी है तो नेपाल की बाढ़ रोके बिना और यूपी की बाढ़ रोके बिना आप बिहार की बाढ़ कैसे रोकेंगे? तो आपको पहले यूपी की बाढ़ रोकें, नेपाल की बाढ़ रोकें, तो बिहार की बाढ़ अपने आप रुक जाएगी। थैंक यू।
Akhilesh Yadav questioning what Uttar Pradesh has received from the Modi government, and you've got several leaders there of opposition parties all gathered right now outside Parliament staging this symbolic protest. 11 a.m. Parliament will be in session, and what you see on your screens is just a trailer of what you can expect when the discussion on the budget is expected to kick off.